Hey, how's it going?
Doing well.
I'm Brian, your technician. Come on in.
Cool. Sounds good.
So, you drive a diesel Sprinter. Fantastic. Now that is a big help for a booming business. It's durable, reliable, plus it recently was awarded the JD Power Award for Best Residual Value. Really, it's everything you could ever want in a van on the road toward success.
Awesome. Got any tips for keeping my Sprinter in great shape for years to come?
Oh, absolutely. My #1 recommendation for a modern diesel engine, try to avoid idling for too long.
Why is that?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's get into it.
Let's do it.
This right here is your diesel particulate filter, a very important part of your Sprinter's diesel exhaust after treatment system. Your diesel particulate filter, or DPF, temporarily stores soot from the engine until it is able to clean itself using an automatic regeneration cycle. This regeneration cycle heats up the exhaust system, turning that stored soot into ash.
So basically, regeneration cleans out the DPF.
Bingo. But here's the thing. The automatic regeneration cycle can only occur during continuous driving. So factors such as extended idling, cold weather, slow-moving traffic, and short-distance driving may fill up the DPF quicker. So it's a good idea to have a couple longer drives in your regular routine. I'd say 20 to 25 minutes of driving uninterrupted should do the trick.
Got it. So what exactly happens if I idle my Sprinter too long?
Well, that's exactly the point. If you leave your Sprinter idling too long, then the DPF may not be able to perform a regeneration to clean itself. And that's exactly why regeneration is so important. It helps maintain the performance and longevity of your diesel engine.
Good to know.
Mercedes-Benz has a reputation for building reliable engines, so monitoring your DPF will only maximize the lifespan of your van.
Got it. Is there a way to know when the DPF fill level is high?
Sure thing. Let's hop in.
Awesome.
You can see your DPF fill level on your instrument cluster's display. Here, let me show you how. All you have to do is click the home button, scroll all the way to the left until the service menu is highlighted, press the touchpad to select, scroll all the way down until the particulate filter is highlighted, again, press to select, and that right there is your DPF fill level. Now, if you leave this screen visible while a regeneration cycle begins, a regeneration active message will appear on screen. Plus, if you go back, you can check out your diesel exhaust fluid and oil levels here in the instrument cluster. Now, for more information, feel free to ask your local service dealer. We are always happy to help. And for any additional tips to keep your diesel van in the best condition, check out the owner's manual.
Aha.
Or visit us online. So that's that. Easy maintenance for the van that makes life easier.
Thanks for all the advice.
My pleasure. See you next time.
Absolutely.